Removing unnecessary processes using MSConfig can help improve the speed, stability, and overall performance of your computer. Uninstalling programs from your computer can provide several advantages, including freeing up disk space, improving system performance, eliminating security risks, and simplifying maintenance. It is important to regularly review the programs installed on your computer and uninstall those that you no longer need or use to keep your system running smoothly. Disabling the time to display list of operating systems option in the Windows Boot Manager can provide several advantages, including faster boot times, a simplified boot process, increased security, and an improved user experience. However, it is important to note that this option should only be disabled if you are sure that you only use one operating system on your computer. If you have multiple operating systems installed, you may need to keep the boot menu enabled to select the correct operating system at boot. The TEMP folder provides several advantages, including freeing up disk space, improving security, simplifying maintenance, and preventing data loss. It is important to periodically clean out the TEMP folder to remove any unnecessary or outdated files and keep your system running smoothly. Deleting the Prefetch folder can provide several advantages, including freeing up disk space, improving system performance, simplifying maintenance, and reducing security risks. However, it is important to note that deleting the Prefetch folder can also have some drawbacks, such as slightly slower startup times for the first few times you launch a program, as the Prefetch data needs to be recreated. Additionally, deleting the Prefetch folder is generally not recommended as a routine maintenance task and should only be done if you are experiencing performance issues or if instructed to do so by a technical support professional. Clearing your browsing history can provide several advantages, including protecting your privacy, improving system performance, simplifying navigation, avoiding login issues, and preventing tracking. It is a good practice to clear your browsing history regularly, especially if you use a shared computer or are concerned about your privacy. Disk cleanup provides several advantages, including freeing up disk space, improving system performance, simplifying maintenance, protecting your privacy, and reducing security risks. It is a good practice to use disk cleanup regularly to keep your computer running smoothly and to prevent unnecessary clutter from accumulating on your hard drive. Using Regcure or any other registry cleaner software may provide some advantages, such as cleaning and optimizing the Windows registry and providing additional system optimization features. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks and drawbacks of using such software, including the risk of deleting important registry entries and the possibility that it may not address the root cause of performance issues. It is always a good practice to research and carefully consider the potential benefits and risks of any software program before using it on your computer. Defragging your drives can provide several advantages, including faster access to files, quicker boot times, more efficient use of disk space, reduced wear and tear on the hard drive, and improved stability. It is a good practice to defrag your drives regularly to keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently. Deleting unneeded files from your computer can provide several advantages, including freeing up disk space, improving organization, reducing clutter, improving security, and improving backup and recovery. It is a good practice to regularly review your computer's files and delete any that are no longer needed to keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently. Emptying the recycle bin on your computer can provide several advantages, including freeing up disk space, protecting your privacy, preventing clutter, reducing the risk of virus infection, and improving backup and recovery. It is a good practice to regularly empty the recycle bin to keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently. Setting your computer's power option to high performance can provide several advantages, including faster performance, better gaming experience, improved multitasking, better video playback, and faster file transfers. However, keep in mind that this option may consume more power and may result in a shorter battery life for laptops. Setting your computer to best performance mode can provide several advantages, including faster performance, improved multitasking, better gaming experience, faster file transfers, and improved video and graphics performance. However, keep in mind that this option may consume more power and generate more heat, so it is not recommended for use on laptops or other devices with limited cooling capabilities. The search indexing feature on your computer provides several advantages, including faster file searches, improved system performance, enhanced search capabilities, customizable indexing, and better file organization. By enabling the search indexing feature, you can make it easier and more efficient to find and manage files on your computer.
Enabling and utilizing Windows features can provide several advantages, including improved functionality, better productivity, enhanced security, customizability, and improved compatibility. By taking advantage of these features, you can get more out of your computer and make your computing experience more efficient and effective.